In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error where Copilot is unable to connect to the service at this time. If Copilot is not loading properly or keeps showing a connection error, don't worry. In many cases, this problem is caused by a simple network issue, a sign-in problem, cached browser data, or a temporary service interruption. We'll go through several practical fixes you can try one by one until Copilot starts working normally again. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly, or if you are using a wired connection, confirm that your Ethernet cable is securely plugged in. A quick way to test this is by opening your web browser and loading a website. If pages are not opening, the issue may be with your network rather than Copilot itself. Next, sign out of your Microsoft account and then sign back in. In the Copilot app or in your browser, click your profile icon, choose the sign out option, and then log in again. This can refresh your session and fix account-related connection issues that may be preventing Copilot from reaching the service. If you are using Copilot on the web, clear your browser cache and cookies. Go into your browser settings, open the privacy or browsing data section, clear the cache and cookies, and then restart the browser. Old or corrupted stored data can sometimes interfere with web apps, so this step often helps restore normal functionality. After that, check whether the Microsoft Copilot service is currently down. Search online for a service status page and see if there is a broader outage affecting other users. If the service is down, the best option is usually to wait until Microsoft resolves the problem. If you are using the Windows app, try repairing or resetting the Copilot application. Open Windows settings, go to Installed Apps, find Copilot, open Advanced Options, and choose Repair or Reset. The repair option is a good first choice because it attempts to fix the app without removing its data. You can also temporarily disable your VPN or antivirus software. In some cases, security tools or network filters can block Copilot from connecting properly. Turn them off briefly just to test whether the connection works. If Copilot starts working, you'll